DM me the word keyword and I'll send you the link. Comment keyword down below and the link will be sent straight to your DM automatically. Well, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how. All right. Once you were able to sign up on the free service on ManyChat, it's going to drive you to this wonderful dashboard. So what we're going to do is we are going to create the campaign. So the first is we're going to click on convert your Instagram comments into sales. And once we've done that, you are going to set up the template. And as you set up the template, you have to make sure that the Instagram post wherein you're going to drive your audience to the certain link through a certain keyword has already been posted, okay? So this is going to be it. And then you're going to click on specific post or reel, okay? And then select publication. And this is the specific reel wherein we're going to drive them to the certain link. And then you are going to choose comment contains specific keyword, and the keyword is tutorial. Okay. And we're going to delete this. Okay, it's going to be tutorial. And then what will be the response when someone comments the keyword? So for me, it's going to be thank you. Please check your DM for more info. Or maybe we can just change that. Like, hooray, hooray. Check your inbox for the tutorial link. Okay, and then save. And once you have done so, once you've done that, this is going to be the reply on your DMs, okay? So this is where you're going to say, thanks for your comment, here's your link. So instead of that, well, you can personalize it. Of course, you can say, amazing. Let me know how it goes. The tutorial link is below. All right, let's do that. All right, and then you can personalize this as well. YouTube tutorial, and then you're going to, of course, put in the link over here, but we're going to just stick with this for now, and then done. And then after that, we are going to set it live. Then pretty much your automation is live. Go ahead and have fun and see how it goes. Are these tutorials helpful for you? Well, subscribe on my channel and I would send more of these real soon.